We're going to go look at the Imperial Dam recreational area, November 3rd, 2023. That's the sign. Let's have the music start. We're going to start from way in, work our way out. I'm not really familiar with this one, but I figured people would like to take a look, especially to see if their spots are still open. A lot of people like this one. They have a lot of people that stay here for the whole season. There's water, there's dumps, there's trash. It's close to Yuma. There is cell coverage. I just don't get tired of looking at stuff from above. Again, the same stuff that you have down up in Quartzsite. Lots of diversity, lots of big solar, even some tent campers and car campers. It's nice to have water close by too. That water level fluctuates dramatically depending on what they're pumping. They pump into that for irrigation canals, so it's all about agriculture. The downside to this site is it gets windy. Some people say it gets windier than Quartzsite. And by windy, we mean wind warning, 70 to 80 mile an hour wind gusts. Coming up on the main entry point, there's a day use beach down there you can see to your left. You're looking in front of you, a dump station first with 4 lanes, a whole line of dumpsters, and then on the other side of that is a freshwater. $15 a night if you want to camp down there on the water, even if you have your long-term visitor area season pass. Those are sewer ponds, boys and girls. Yes, it does in fact stink. So I guess depending on which way the wind's blowing, park accordingly. Some people find places to hide from the wind down in the gravel pit there. You can see that that's pretty protected from wind. We're going to get some altitude. Sometimes I like to get way up because it gives you a better overall picture. So you're looking at 400 feet-ish as opposed to 100 feet. That about wraps up another look at another LTVA. This is Imperial Dam.